This is a pack of 12 extra large stackable plastic shoe bins I was sent a review from Finessy. We are loving them, so let's take a closer look at how to assemble them and how to use them. It's very simple unboxing and assembly. There are 3 pieces to each shoe box, and then they're all gonna stack together nicely. There are easy to understand assembly instructions, a nice visual guide, and a QR code to watch a video. Step 1, you take this plastic piece, you fold it into a rectangle, boom. You fold the 4 tabs inward. Then you take the hard plastic vented back, snap it in. You'll hear a snap when those inwardly folded tabs lock into here and here. Then you flip it over, make sure these tabs are folded inward. Make sure that these stacking tabs are facing the same direction. So these tabs are also gonna be facing this way, and then we're gonna lock this one on the same way. Woo, looking good. Really sturdy once it's all locked together. This one is done. So then you just do all the others and stack them together. These are the little feet that are gonna sit into these grooves here. So 4 little feet, nothing is gonna lock, but they just kind of fit right together. So that way they are like locked, but not locked, if that makes sense. You can simply just pick it up if you want to change the formation or take one somewhere. So easy. Once you get the first one done, it's super easy. The learning curve is like literally in the first assembly of the first box, you've got it. So easy after that. You can whip it together in a couple of minutes. I love how flexible these are because you can use one, you could stack them to whatever height or width you need. There are 12 included, so you can use them like you could use 2 deep under a bed or in a closet, several side by side. I mean, really flexible how you use them. You can even take the doors off if you'd rather use it without the doors. But the doors will obviously help keep everything looking nice and less dust and all that. But those are easy to get on and off. They are easy to move around. Also, move a whole stack, move one at a time. So I'm gonna go find a space for these, get some shoes in them. Here we are in a 6x2 formation. Got all my husband's shoes in here. He wears like a 9 to 10 men's. They fit in here so easily. There is so much space in the extra large boxes. Oh, so amazing. Nice and high as well. I love the vented back. I love the doors. They're easy to open and snap shut. Looks nice. I love the clear because you can see everything, but it stays organized and clean and just awesome. I absolutely love these, and I know you will too.